Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have done two previous reviews on this cap company. As most of you guys know, I'm a huge trucker cap style person, especially on the Boston Scally, my favorite cap of all time for Boston Scally. And I recently did a review on the Heathcliff and the Barney from a great cap company called Overlord Caps. I got my third cap in today, and here's the box it comes in. Dude, they do a great job with these boxes. They seal every one of them. And they got these little chest pieces on the outside and all the other goody stuff. But this one here, I thought was, I'm hoping this is the one because I ordered so many of them. I don't know which one's coming in. So I'm guessing this is the right one. But this one here was pretty cool because it kind of has like a camo type look to it. And, you know, I'm a guy that will definitely wear pinks. So I'm hoping that's what's in this box. So let's go and unseal it here real quick. Open this bad boy up. And that's what you get on the inside. As you can see, I kind of get a little sneak peek here of what's going to be on the inside. And this is from the old Hanna-Barbera cartoons. How many people remember Snagglepuss from Hanna-Barbera cartoons? Yep, that is him. Let's go ahead and get this button up here because I know it's going to be a little bit longer. On the back, it says the rule. Has a little Hanna-Barbera stickers on it. Or not stickers, but cardboard pieces. Overlord. Has the Overlord all on the inside. See, there's the Hanna. Oh, yep. Even got the Hanna-Barbera stitching on there. And one thing about these patches is that they're actually stitched on there. Let me go and take out that little cardboard that comes in there. As you can see here on the threads, they're actually stitched in rather than just ironed on. So therefore, like, the heat, I know I had a few trucker caps in the past with the heat and the sweat and everything from me doing all the walking and running I do. The patch actually just peels off after a while. But yeah, how about that pink and white checkered board? It's got the black, got the white little pin on the top. And I think it's about that time. It's about that time to try this bad boy on. Let's go ahead and cup it up a little bit. Yeah. Another doozy. You know, as far as like a baseball cap style company, I mean, other than the nostalgia from Snagglepuss from Hanna-Barbera, I mean, I think it just brings out the kid in me to where it brings you back like your memories of you getting home from school watching cartoons. And I think that's why you take a liking to them so much, is because it just brings you back to a time and era where life was life and every day there was no stress. I mean, might have been some stress, whether or not trying to hide your report card from your parents or making sure you get home real quick and delete the messages on the answer machine if a teacher had to call home because you weren't behaving at school. Those are kind of the most stressful moments I had when I was a kid. But yeah, but other than that, I mean, the nostalgia from the cap itself and the Snagglepuss and Hanna-Barbera cartoons and all those other cartoons that would be on after school. But let me know what you guys think of this cap. Again, this is a Snagglepuss cap by Overlord. And out of the three I reviewed so far, between Heathcliff and Barney, which one's your favorite so far? I like how this has got the pink and white checkerboard. I thought it was going to be a different cap when I came in, but when I opened up, it was not the cap I thought it was going to be. But that cap will be coming here shortly. Again, this is the Snagglepuss by Overlord Caps. You can get it at overlordcaps.com. I'll put a link in the description. This is Reviews with Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.